Welcome to Living Life with a Twist. Today's video is about making my dad or other grandpa cook his sinful scalloped potatoes. And this has been in our family for so long, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. And we're thrilled. Every time we have holidays or celebration, this is what we pull out and make. Otherwise, it's probably 14,100 calories, whatever. But it's awesome, and you're going to enjoy this. So stay tuned, because here we go. So easy to make these scalloped potatoes, and they're so wonderful. My mother, she named it sinful potatoes instead of scalloped potatoes because it is so wonderful. My dad was raised with dairy. They had their own fresh milk and of course their cream. So this is from my dad. So this is for how you do it. You take whipping cream and you start. I've sprayed this is a 9x13, and I have sprayed it with Pam. I have the coconut Pam or any cooking spray that you want, and you're just going to lay it down right there. And my husband peeled and then on our mandolin, he did these potatoes, make them scalloped, and this is so easy. I just can't tell you how easy this is. And so you just you're putting a layer of potatoes down, and all you do is layer. You put I don't know, 2 or 3, at least not about a ½ an inch maybe of potatoes first, and then you salt this layer, and then you put more whipping cream to start the next layer. And so I'm almost there, because you want them thin because they're going to cook quickly. Now my dad used to put it in a very tall Corningware, and it really took a long time for it, because actually when the cream starts to boil up, it thickens, and with the starch that the potatoes are giving off, it really makes a very creamy, thick potato base. Okay, here we go. And so now the next thing you do is that you, let me put some more potatoes in here. I mean, this is so easy, guys. But it's so delicious. We only do it because it's so calorie. Oh my goodness. And then you want to sit down and eat the whole thing. And I have taken it to a church potluck, and where they really like to consume it. It just goes in. I don't bring any home. So you can make as many as you want, because you're in charge. So after you put the one layer down, you're going to salt that layer. And I have got I've got my stove on 375 or 350, doesn't matter, somewhere in there. And then you're going to have to put a tray of something to catch the cream when it does bubbles over. Okay, so that's the first layer. All right, we're going to apply a little bit more cream and start on the second layer. And I will finish this up, and I'll be right back. So here it is. We got the potatoes in. Now I can't give you exact amount of how many potatoes to do. It all depends on the container. And but I usually have 2 on the ready of the quarts of the heavy cream. Now I get this at Walmart. I don't have any stock in Walmart, but they sell it for I don't know, 50 something, 69, and at Kroger they want $5.19. Well, that's a no-brainer. So when I go over there, because I use the cream a lot, I just buy 3 or 4 and have them on hand for, especially during the holidays. So I'm going to put this in the oven, and I do have a pan because it will bubble over, and I don't want to particularly, but I want you to see, particularly to, keep scrubbing out your oven. So, because they will burn, and it doesn't smell good when it burns in the bottom floor. So, but I did want you to see how much the cream is, because it has to cover it. And I just kind of pushing on it here a little bit, make sure, because you don't want it to oxidize your potatoes. So you want to have the cream right there on it. So I'll be back to show you what it should look like. And it all depends on the container. I am doing this in a shallow container, so it shouldn't take more than 45 minutes to an hour. You have to just check it. And if you do it in a big, deep one, it will take an hour. So I just wanted to show you how easy this was and how delicious. And as I said, this is a family favorite from my dad. And we can only afford for our wastes to eat it like once or twice a year. So we keep it for special occasions and the holidays. So this is part of our holiday, Thanksgiving or Christmas or whatever, birthday for that matter. So I'll be right back when it's finished. See, I just pulled this out. You need to tip it and make sure that all the cream has been absorbed by the potatoes and boiled down, and it has. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when you cut into it, because really it should set a few more minutes. But I can't. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that awesome? Oh, I can't tell you how great this is. Look at this. Hot. Ooh, it's hot. But I'll tell you what, this casserole won't be around very long. So I want you to try it, love it, and hope you appreciate the content that we're putting up. This is my dad's, or they call it Grandpa's, sinful potatoes, because it did come from my dad and his side of the family, and it's Grandpa Cook. So anyway, be part of the family, subscribe, like, and hit the bell so we're going to be putting up quite a few more videos as you go through the season. And oh, is that good? I'm telling you, this is awesome, and you'll love it, and your family will love it. And as I said, it'll be part of your holidays or any other celebrations. And love you guys, and don't forget, we have a Facebook page, Living Life with a Twist, and see you, be part of our Twisters community. Love you guys. Bye.